Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rogini from GK Jain Schools, Raipuram. Before watching our video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will receive all the latest notification of our videos regularly. Thank you. Now let us move on to today's class. In today's class, we are going to see about the second standard maths topic, geometry. Okay, shall we start the class? Yes. Okay, what is geometry? What will be studying in the geometry? Yes, geometry is all about shapes and lines, right? So we will study shapes and lines in geometry. Okay, so let us recall what you have studied in your earliest classes. Okay, so you should know about the two types of shapes there, right? That is open shape and closed shapes, right children? So what are open shapes? So in your previous classes, you must have introduced to a topic called open shape and closed shape, right? Open and closed shape. So what are open and closed shape? Yes, I have an example here. This is a shape which is formed by lines, but you can see that at one point the lines are not connected. So in such case, the shapes are called as open shape. So here you can see in this shape it is formed by lines, but you can see that there is no gap in between them. The lines are connected to each other. So such a shape is called as closed shape. Understood? Now you know what are open shapes and closed shapes. Okay, now we are going to write in these boxes which are closed shape and open shape. So for open shapes we will put O in the boxes, and for closed shape we should put C in the boxes. Okay, let us find out which are all the open shape and which are the closed shape among these shapes. Okay, now look at this. This is a triangle, right? Okay, now see whether it is a open shape or closed shape. Yes, it is a closed shape, right? Because all the lines are connected to each other without any gap. That means it is a closed shape. C. So C for closed shape. Next, we'll see this. Okay, so it is an open shape or closed shape. What alphabet I should put? O or C? Yes, O. It is a open shape. So these lines are not connected to each other. That means it is a open shape. Now shall we move on to the next one? See this shape, whether it is a open shape or closed shape? Yeah, it is a open shape, right? It is a open shape. Okay, then last one, it is a open shaped or closed shape? Yeah, it is a closed shape, right? Because all the lines are connected to each other, right? So now you know how to identify an open shape and closed shape, right children? Let us learn some of the 2D shapes you know. Okay, so what are the 2D shapes you know? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So these are the 2D shapes that you must have known, right children? Okay, now can you give me an example for square? Yes, stamp is in the shape of square, right? Okay, can you give me an example for rectangle? Yes, our blackboard is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, can you give me an example for triangle? Our traffic sign boards are in the shape of triangle, right? Okay, so what is the last shape? Circle. So can you give me an example for circle? Yes, our 2 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin that we are using, that are in the shape of circle, right? Okay, now you know what are the 2D shapes and an example for each of the shapes, right children? Yes. So now you know what are the names of the basic 2D shapes, right? And you know the example for each of the 2D shapes. Okay, now let us learn the properties of 2D shapes one by one. First we will start with square. Okay, now look at the shape. What are the properties can you see? Let us start from the first property of the square. So now look at the square and tell me, it is a open shape or closed shape? Yes, square is a closed shape. Okay, so the first property of the square is it is a closed shape. Square is a closed shape. Then what can you say? The second property, Let us tell about the corners. Yes. So, how many corners square is having? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many corners? Square has 4 corners. Then, let us talk about the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many sides a square is having? Yes, a square has 4 sides. Okay, what can we say of the next property? Yes, so if you look at the square, do you think all the sides are equal or unequal? Yes, all the sides of the square are equal. So, we can say that all the sides are equal in square. So, all the sides of the square are equal. So, these are the 4 properties of the square. First one, square is a closed shape. Second one, it has 4 corners. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And all the sides of the square are equal. Understood? Let us see the properties of the second shape, which is rectangle. Okay. So, what can be the first property of the rectangle? Yeah, the first property must be, is it an open shape or closed shape? Yes, rectangle is a closed shape. Rectangle is a closed shape, right? Okay, what will be the next property? We will talk about the sides. So, how many sides a rectangle is having? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many sides? 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. Now, let us talk about the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many corners a rectangle is having? Yes, it is having 4 corners. A rectangle has 4 corners. Okay. Now, what is the remaining property? We should say whether all the sides are equal or unequal. Okay. Now, let us say. So, look at the sides of the rectangle. Is it equal? All the sides are equal? No. But 2 sides and these 2 sides are equal. That means, how to say? These 2 are opposite and these 2 are opposite. So, that means opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, let us recall the properties. A rectangle is a closed shape. It has 4 sides and a rectangle has 4 corners, and opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Understood? Third 2D shape is triangle. Let us talk about the properties of triangle. Okay, now look at this. The first thing we will say about it is open or closed. Now tell me, the triangle is a closed shape or open shape? Yes, triangle is a closed shape. Okay, what will be the second property that will be saying about the shape? We say about the sides of the shape. 1, 2, 3. So, it is having totally how many sides a triangle is having? A triangle is having 3 sides. Okay. Now, after we completing the sides, what will we talk about? Yes, we talk about the corners. So, let us see how many corners. 1, 2, 3. That means a triangle has 3 corners. How many corners? 3 corners. And what will be the last? We will say about the size, whether it is equal or unequal. Okay. Now look at the size of the triangle. It seems to be equal, right? But this is not only the type of the triangle. We have 3 types of triangle: as scalene triangle, and isosceles triangle. So these are all the types of triangle we will be having. So depending upon the size and the sides of the triangle sides may be equal or unequal. So we can say that the sides of the triangle are either it is equal or unequal. Understood? The last shape we are going to see the properties is circle. Okay. Now, first what is the property we'll tell? We'll tell about the shape, whether it is a closed shape or open shape, but circle we will call it as curve. Okay. It is made up of curved lines. That means we'll call it as curve. So, for circle it is a closed curve. A circle is a closed curve. So, how can we say of the sides and corners? Can you see any sides here or any corners here? That means a circle is having no sides and a circle has no corners. So, these are the properties of circle. So, circle is a closed curve. It has no sides and it has no corners. Okay. So, these are the properties of circle. Understood?